We tend to think we only get stronger when we exert ourselves and push ourselves to the limit, but actually, exertion is only the stimulus. Exertion and rest are both necessary for improvement, but really, it's when we rest that we get stronger, physically and mentally. Just like our body shuts down to digest, to repair, or to fight an infection, whenever we feel like we're being threatened, our mind shuts down too. Its creative thinking and problem-solving skills are turned off. When we're under pressure, stressed, anxious and tense, our mind can't do its best thinking. You see, our brain needs time to sort things out, to make sense of things, and to understand. Our brain does this by building new neural connections. If you think about it, that actually makes sense. If you're in the jungle being chased by a tiger, if you stop to analyze your options, you're more likely to get caught and eaten. So your brain tries to help you out. It narrows our options. You can either fight, fly, or freeze. These options have served us well over centuries ago. But tigers are not so common anymore. They're not really threatening for most of us these days. Our problems are more complex, and we need to access our critical thinking and more creative solutions to solve these problems. Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah Gowans, massage and craniosacral therapist from Blossoming Me and the Healthy Learning Lounge. Here we are a sanctuary where you can come and tap in to nurture your journey to health, well-being and a positive mindset, to clear the stresses stopping you from living your most fulfilling life. Today I'm going to share with you how taking a few minutes each day to relax and rejuvenate can support your brain's ability to build these neural connections and pathways, to empower your creative thinking. This requires time, and rest is when our body and mind gets this time. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the kidney meridian, which is associated with fear, and the bladder meridian, linked to courage and determination, are in their strong point of the year. When our bladder and kidney meridians are balanced through relaxation, you are better equipped to face life's challenges with confidence. Our cortisol and other stress hormone levels may be reduced, calming your nervous system, fostering a sense of safety and security, and also lowering your stress levels. This can help you to regulate your emotions of fear and anxiety more easily. It can lead to increased confidence, assertiveness, and resilience, and boost your ability to move forward with determination and courage. Enhancing your inner wisdom with the kidney meridian. The kidney meridian is also linked to the essence of our being, to our inner wisdom. Relaxation and meditation practices can enable us to create a quiet space for this introspection and deep reflection. Relaxation can also activate our parasympathetic nervous system. So using relaxation to balance our kidney and bladder meridians can also help to reduce our stress and anxiety levels. It may calm our mind and enhance our mental clarity, allowing us to tap into these deeper levels of self-awareness and inner wisdom, fostering a deeper understanding of ourselves as well as the world around us, and enhancing our decision-making. This internal strength also helps us face physical and emotional challenges with greater ease, making us more adaptable to change, more resilient, and less prone to anxiety and fear. And finally, relaxation can lower our stress hormones, which may also decrease inflammation and pain levels in our body. So taking a few minutes to relax can take the pressure off and open up a whole array of ideas and solutions for us. It may be something as simple as deep breathing, and that can keep tension from building up in our body. It can give us more energy. When we're more relaxed, we're more efficient and more able to deal with problems more easily. In summary, relaxation and the activation of our parasympathetic nervous system can help us align with and supporting the balance and flow of qi through our bladder and kidney meridians, fostering our physical health, our emotional balance, enhancing our inner wisdom, and cultivating the courage needed to navigate life's challenges. It can assist us to lower our lower back pain and strengthen our immune function, ensuring our body stays healthy and vibrant even in these cooler months. So thank you for joining me today. I hope today's video was helpful for you, and if you did like it, please like it and share it. And join us next time when we look at other ways to support and nurture your body to health and well-being and a positive mindset. From my heart to yours, namaste. The love and light in me honors the love and light in you.